You're logged in as a teacher and here's your classroom.
Right now, all the assignments are posted to your stream, but that can kind of clutter your stream so kids won't see announcements. So the way to change that, if you go to your settings up here to your top right, you're going to scroll down. You're going to look at classwork on the stream. Right now it's show condensed notifications. What I'm going to change it to is I'm going to hide notifications. So this way all the students know that they have to go to your classwork and automatically see your assignments. This way you can keep your stream open for any type of discussion, any agendas that you put up. This way, any important information, this way it's right in front of the students when they log on to their classwork and their Google Classroom.